Nature. Nature is wonderful. Its beauty attracts everyone. Without intentionality, many of us spend years as miserly, pessimistic adults just trying to get on with our lives. What a waste of experience that is. Everybody needs beauty as well as bread, places to play in and pray in, where nature may heal and give strength to body and soul. Mother Nature offers us many groves and alcoves to enjoy. It not only encourages us to relax, but also sparks curiosity in us because of her mystifying nature. She inspires powerful urges to know more about a plant, an insect, a bird, or an animal that we have been observing. These experiences not only bring us into the present, but also activates our creativity. The part of us that generates questions, new ideas, and solutions. But remember that there is always more waiting to be explored within. We are reminded that we are a remarkable species as we possess the capacity to create, imagine, love, and carve out world order. Life is like a butterfly. You go through changes before you become something beautiful. Everything in the plant and the animal kingdom is built to survive, adapt to its circumstances, to preserve life at all costs. For the butterfly to remake itself, the caterpillar must be completely undone. We delight in the beauty of the butterfly, but rarely admit the changes it has gone through to achieve that beauty. We are hardwired with survival mechanisms that send us running, resisting, or refusing to move until the danger has passed. Yet, we are also gifted with ambition, a desire to explore, discover, and push the limits. For the butterfly is more beautiful and more capable than a caterpillar can ever be, and for that, undergoing pain is vital. Unpleasant though, there is greatness on the other side. With time, patience, and humility, you will one day emerge from the darkness into the warmth of the sun as a new creature with wings to fly to greater heights. Many people ask me, how do I know what my life purpose is? My answer to them is very simple. Sit with yourselves in silence and just listen. By placing our attention to the present and focusing on our heart, our life's work takes shape and we begin the journey. Strong, loving, and connected within. Most importantly, remember to look at your fears with new eyes, with a broader perspective. rather than narrowly focusing on the fear itself. Magnifying it and allowing it to paralyze us, we can look at our fears as opportunities to lead us to new growth. We can become stronger and healthier when we learn to face our fears and look at them with new eyes. When honeybees pollinate flowers, they don't do it with the reward in mind, yet it is pollination that ensures their continuity. They do not control the cycle of life, but their acts of kindness always pay off. So always remember to be kind to yourself and to others, because everything has a purpose. Nature doesn't hurry. The best things truly are free. Rise above it all and don't forget to spread your sunshine.